In this video, you'll learn how to cancel a job on Wecasa through the website. This guide will walk you through the steps necessary to successfully cancel your appointment, ensuring you have full control over your bookings. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa website. Once the homepage loads, locate the option to log into your customer area, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this option to proceed. After entering your login credentials, you will be directed to your customer area. Here, look for the section labeled My Upcoming Appointments. This section contains all your scheduled bookings, making it easy to find the appointment you wish to cancel. Select the specific booking you want to cancel by clicking on it. This action will open a detailed view of your appointment. Once this page appears, scroll down to the bottom where you will find the button labeled Cancel My Appointment. Click on this button to initiate the cancellation process. After clicking Cancel My Appointment, a prompt will appear asking you to choose your reason for cancelling. Select the appropriate reason from the provided options. This step is important as it helps Wecasa understand customer needs and improve their services. Once you have selected your reason, confirm the cancellation by clicking on the appropriate button, often labeled Confirm or Cancel Appointment. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your appointment has been successfully cancelled. If you do not see this message, double-check your selections to ensure the process was completed. It is worth noting that the same process applies if you decide to use the Wecasa app instead of the website. Both platforms provide you with full control over managing your sessions, allowing you to cancel appointments with ease. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.